Get a little bit bigger. Oh. Might have missed it. Yeah, I might have missed it in there.
That has been a very long video. Yes, hello.
That's pretty.
Are we interrupting your grazing? Are you guys gonna be my friends? Hi! Well, I can't get up there. But hello. Don't touch that, it hurts.
So cool.
I'm scared of lightning, so.
This is, look at this rotation right here. Oh, we're starting to get rained on. Come on. Super calm.
Oh my god.
It got super calm. That's
That is
we
so.
might need to here in a second.
Dude, look at the motion above us.
Oh my lord, this is gonna get. It might put down right here. Yeah, get ready to go. Get ready. Get ready to go.
That's a funnel.
You better get ready to go south. Where? I heard someone stuff on the line. It's gonna produce. You're out. Oh, it is about to. Get ready to get out of here.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I
Is there a funnel in there? I see it. It's like very opaque. It looks like a cone.
Just turn it.
Just turn the lens. Careful with the focus.
This part?
Yeah. Yep. So you can zoom in as far as you can on that.
Okay.
There's a tornado in there.
Oh, that's a cone.
It's a tornado.
It's a tornado.
It's a tornado.
Yes.
It's for real.
Okay,
I see
you
it.
want to pull
Oh, that is hot.
You want to pull off? I don't.
Yeah, we're gonna get
pull
more
off.
in front of it.
That's a nader. Oh, that is a nice
nader.
nader. It's a cone.
Easily a tornado. All right, Jason, you just saw your first tornado.
Oh.
It did. Very small tornado, but it did.
Oh, this looks great in your camera. My goodness.
Does it?
Yes.
There was a tornado in there. Wow, feel the heat out here.
Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, I missed.
Oh my god, there's a tornado.
There is a tornado. Oh, there's a ground circulation. I'm gonna go straight right here. Is it a gustnado?
Yeah.
Looks like it, yeah. My bet's on a gustnado.
Oh, nope, that. Oh man, it looks like it's very.
Why don't we get parked and we'll pull out and look at it?
Yeah, we're gonna get
this
Don't-
massive ditch.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put it in it. Don't worry.
I just
Oh.
want to make sure we have time to turn around with these guys right here.
Yeah.
All right.
Because I could be headed towards us.
Yeah. Come on, buddy.
the funnel.
Look at the funnel. It's so small.
Where? Oh yeah, yeah, I see it. It is. That's a tornado. Oh, it might.
Oh my God, that's so...
It's right there. Oh boy, we might need to move. We might need to move. I gotta get a video of this real quick. Oh, it's wrapping up. Okay. Okay, don't worry, we'll get out of here in a second. It might just pass to our north.
I'd rather be a little further, not that close to it.
There's another one. There's another one to the right. There's a satellite. Satellite circulation. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good.
Are you sure? I am.
Yeah, they're moving.
They're gonna pass to our north.
I am nervous.
Look at the red derby picture.
Wow, look at that.
So very
If it's moving side to side, it's not coming left to right.
But like, I don't know.
Look at this.
I guess it's not that strong. Fight or flight. This is so real right now.
Our escape option is that way.
Can we get the car turned around that quick?
We can. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be busy.
Do you mind if we get the car turned around now?
I'll turn it around.
Sorry, I just...
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn it around. Okay. Car's turned around.
This is nice.
Okay, thank you. I
Okay,
feel better
perfect.
now.
Right here. We can feel better. I'm gonna leave it running just because we already have it turned on.
Oh my god, look at this rising motion right here.
Oh yeah, look at this.
We might need to move.
Oh boy. Okay.
No.
Yeah, I think we need to move.
Yeah, that's coming right at us.
RFD.
No, I don't know what it is, but it's coming right at us.
It's strong rising motion.
Oh, you're talking about this.
The white cloud right
The
there.
Yeah.
white.
So which way? Northeast is this way. Okay,
let's
go.
Okay.
Okay, you want to go south?
This is the only one
They did say 5 to 7.
We need to get to Vernon and get east. That is what we need to do.
Okay, I'm losing it.
now. So we're on the right road if we just continue towards.
Yes, but I just want to beat the mezzo over the road because I don't want to get hit by it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a funnel. It's on the ground. You can see
right
it.
there. Look at that. Okay, we gotta
Here you go.
pull forward.
Whoa! Probably just pull off somewhere safely here.
Look at that.
Okay, right here.
Oh my lord. Whoa.
Okay.
We gotta get out and take pictures.
Yeah, I need to take pictures. Can you take your camera? Cause
Look at that thing.
oh my
God. Don't worry, it's not gonna cross. It's moving side to side. It's gonna go to our north. Look at that thing. It's gonna get close. People going north, you need to be really, really careful. Look at that.
Look at it's beautiful. Why are they going north? I want to stay here.
Okay, it's gonna cross the road. Once it crosses the road, we're gonna get back in the car and go. Look at that. Oh, there is anticyclonic rotation above us. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That is the best tornado I've ever seen.
Oh, beautiful.
Is that a stovepipe? That is the stovepipe. Look at that thing go.
Look at this stovepipe. I'm in love.
It's about to cross the road. It's gonna.
What are they doing? They need to get off the road.
A little off of these power. Watch out, get
Sure
out.
you want to turn off the car?
We're fine right where we're at. Don't worry. It's not gonna cross. Or it's not gonna hit us.
Ow! This rain
okay?
hurts.
Yeah, it's not fun. Where's my camera?
Oh shoot! I'm still on video. Ow!
It's getting wrecked over here.
Oh, I can get the tor. Oh yes, tornado.
We're gonna get wrecked by rain here in a second.
Yeah, RFD.
Look at that tornado.
Are you sure we're good here?
Yes, I'm positive. It hit something. There's debris.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's right by that rainbow. Oh
Double
no.
rainbow, double rainbow.
We got a rainbow. It's hitting something right now.
Are you sure that's not heading towards us?
I'm sure it's not. It's going left to right. I promise you that. I'm trying to get good video on it. We're gonna lose visual here in a second.
Oh, we are. Oh, wait, that's our third tornado of the day. From the same cell.
Oh Lord.
Okay, I'm gonna get in the car because I'm getting wet.
Yeah, I'm getting
I took off my glasses for that reason.
Oh, you can't see it. Can you
No.
like turn like accessory on to get the windshield wipers going? Oh no, I didn't want it to hit anything.
It did hit something. I saw
know.
it. It just.
I hate that. Oh, I can't see it anymore.
Yeah,
I
it's
really
about
can't.
to. It's about to.
Go rain road.
Yeah. If we want to stick with it,
We're gonna have to find another road.
we have to go
should not-
south.
Yeah, we should not take this road.
Well, we're gonna go.
No.
It's right there. I can still see it. It's right behind the rainbow.
Oh, yes.
That was it. We were right there.
It literally just pops up out of nowhere.
All right, dude. So I think
It's a picture of a tornado and a rainbow. Oh.
you got it. I know we got tornado
Yes.
and a rainbow.
Oh, look.
What direction is the storm?
Look better.
Can you touch my laptop too?
Yep, laptop is still good.
Okay. Let me look at radar scope. I'll have a better view of the tornado. The tornado is right in front of us. It's right there. It's literally about to cross the road. Once it crosses the road, we're gonna go in.
Okay.
Into the
Let's
RFD.
cross this road first.
Yep. I'm gonna start the car. It's still there. This is best day of chasing I've ever had in my life. Not even close. I've never seen 3 tornadoes in one day. All right, we're gonna go north, but we're not gonna be very careful about going north. We have visual on it.
See, we're not gonna be very careful.
Oh, we are going to be very
I
careful.
was like,
We're not gonna be
oh,
very careful.
excuse me, I have a complaint.
He wouldn't lead us into danger. Look at that rainbow. It's still there. I still see it.
I think it's roping.
It is still roping, but it's still there.
This
This storm is just crazy tornado crazy. There you go. We got so.
We are doing great. Oh yeah, it's
We're a
roping.
perfect chase. It's still there.
It's roping.
It's very ropey.
Are you catching it?
Yep. Got the rainbow in it
Yes.
too.
We got a tornado with a rainbow. I know. Oh yeah, here they come.
Yeah, this is exactly like what I experienced
When you went to Chicken Shop?
when I kind of. But the second one I got when I got into the squall line,
You can see mammatus clouds to our left on the anvil.
I don't know if I'd be up there. You hear that?
This storm is angry. While I'm taking a video.
Ooh. I don't know where it could be.
Where the battery grip was messed up. This is what my face is. I swear to God, there's a little noodle hanging on.
I know.
Yeah, everything went very well.
Whoa!
You have a lot of elevated instability. So you have far away, and but there's just enough light. Yeah, you know, I'm working on that.
Yeah, like
Continue on I-44 east for 6 miles.
maybe it's gonna have us get off before I-44 turns. Really funny gas station. Google's like trying to tell us where to go. Wow, I don't know why.
Florida to
Whoa! Jeez! Oh
I
my
didn't stay in now.
golly! Holy cow!
I tried to like,
Yeah, I know, but we had also. Whoa! Big light. Whoa! Big lightning. Sorry. So I knew it wasn't on a direct path towards us. What?
It's right behind us.
Yeah, he like screams. Golly! That was like the sun just exploded.
That was a positive thing.
Friday night.
Yeah, Friday night. Oh, it turned me around.
I was like, oh, we're back to 3 o'clock p.m. because that's what the time was.
No, it went right across to my left.